Surgery has been around for a long time. People have been trying to find ways to mimic and give us a better opportunity to be closer to the real thing. What's fascinating is that we've often done it such a backwards way. When I was a veterinary student, we used carpet padding, and we would be expected to try to suture these things, and the carpet pad was so thick, it was so hard. You forced and you learned how to push too hard, and you weren't very gentle because you had to be really firm with it. So then we did a lot of terminal surgical procedures. So we had animals that we euthanized and did surgery on, or did surgery and then euthanized. And that's also a problem, because who wants to do that every time you're trying to learn something new? It was 1993. I was teaching a lab, a non-recovery live animal lab, and I was just really frustrated that our students didn't have the skills necessary to do this lab. And I remember walking out of it just irritated. We failed the students. We haven't given them the lead up to doing this so that they can actually do the lab and learn from it. And I remember just thinking through things, why is it? And I thought it was because our models are bad. Well, I thought there has to be a better way. And it was in 2008, I finally sat down again and said, you know, I've been frustrated about this for a long time now. We had a donor who was very interested in education, and she gave us some money to practice. That's how it all started. So our goal really is to meet the needs of the people that we serve.
Often universities, medical, hospitals, a lot of physician assistant programs, veterinary programs.
So our goal is to find out what they need next. Almost everything we do is built on a stepwise progression of education. Now we're going to take a 14-year-old kid who's never driven before and put them in a 250-mile-an-hour Formula One. We do that all the time in medicine. So we do a lot of building block stuff. So you start with this one, then you move to this one, then you move to this one.
There was one, it was a nursing program. His name was Greg. He told me that the injection pads were a smashing success.
It really lies in the quality. Each layer is its own layer.
That he wanted to share it with all the nursing programs that he could possibly think of.
Having been to trade shows where people are able to see this for the first time and you can watch their eyes light up, this feels real.
People needed to learn how to do injections. So we have things that help you learn how to do injections. People need to learn how to take out ingrown toenails so they can block and they can take out a toenail. We've got a pad that has a cyst and an abscess in it, so people can learn how to clean those out. We have some vascular access models, so primarily associated with dogs and horses. We have heads, necks to do that. Because if I can teach you to do a good ectomy, you can do it on anything. You can do a kidney ectomy or nephrectomy. You can do an ovariectomy. All of the ectomies are in your wheelhouse. And I can tell you that doing an ectomy on a horse is no different than doing an ectomy on a polar bear, or a dog, or a lion, or a person. But are the principles the same? Absolutely.